Hi, this is Scott Schubert, and welcome back. I hope you had a fantastic week, and I know I certainly did. And I always feel the need to share how that feels to go through another week and see a massive increase in capital in my trading account, and to be able to see that happening with a lot of other people in our community. A lot of people who are teaching how to trade Forex don't actually know how. So that makes it kind of frustrating for a lot of the people who are involved in learning how to trade, and then they're buying all these different products, taking courses and so forth, and they can keep you entertained, but it actually seems like the people who are teaching don't actually know how to get really good results. So since I am getting fantastic results over and over, and I see other people doing it, and I know how to do it, it just really makes me want to share that with other people. So I know a lot of people are struggling and have a difficult time trying to find anything that would get consistent results in trading. So let me know what would work best for you. Would it be best if I strictly live entries and just went live on YouTube or Facebook and said, okay, I'm getting into this trade, and then come back later and say, okay, now I'm getting out of this trade, but you may not know why I get in there, and so it might be better to show you why I got in there so that you can see for yourself. So let me do that with what happened this week. This week, Kiwi News was a definite highlight of the entire week, and both of the Kiwi News, I felt like I traded perfectly and executed the trade as perfectly as it was possible to do. So I don't think it would be possible to get a better entry or a better exit on the Kiwi News this week. Let's take a look at how that went.
So on the 12-hour, this is a Kiwi dollar. This is a downtrend. There's no end of a downtrend visible here. And you have the sign that that's a correction in a downtrend. The entry would be the end of the correction for the continuation of the downtrend. The fact the market is going up really strong right now really does put it into the ideal position. This is getting ready to form a short. That's my conclusion right there. Like if I take the Euro Kiwi, I go to the daily, there's an uptrend, and you do not see an end of an uptrend. You go to the 12-hour, you do not see an end of an uptrend. You do see signs of a trend that is not over. That's what it looks like. It's correcting in an uptrend. On the 4-hour, that's an ABC correction. ABC correction in an uptrend, that would tell me the Euro Kiwi is going to form a long entry. The rest of these are going to form a short entry. That's the only thing I can see. If I'm wrong, I'll just be wrong. That's okay. As far as reading the charts are concerned, the only result that I can see is that this is a correction, and I would expect to see an end of a correction for the Euro Kiwi to go up. No, I don't always wait until after the news. In fact, I'm already in. But whenever it seems clear to me, I get in before the news. There it is. Now, see, that's pretty easy if you're already in it. And I don't think it's going to reverse today. If you want to get in it now.
But that makes total sense. I mean, if it's clear, go for it. If not, then hold off, basically.
Yeah, like on the previous two news events, I didn't get in. And I specifically said I'm not going to get in at the last Kiwi news event.
Okay, for many people, I have found that a continual system of exposing yourself to visual charts and seeing things that are happening on the charts, and having a continual supportive environment with other people helping you, and through repetition over and over, that this is the real way that most people are able to get the best results as possible in trading. So if you'd like to find out more about how you can participate in that, just go to tradingmastermind.com, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.